It is time for the March 2023 SheetLoad collaboration, and just wanted to share with you my take on Call Me Crafty Al's sketch. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. It is the beginning of March, which means I get to share with you my cards for the March 2023 SheetLoad of Cards sketch from Call Me Crafty Al. This is a monthly collaboration, and she puts out a sketch, supply list, and cut list each month, and then there is a team that shares different takes on the SheetLoad just to give you some additional inspiration. So please be sure to check out the hashtag that is in the description and up in the title. You can click on that and see the videos that were created for this month's collaboration. If the hashtag doesn't seem to be working, there will also be a playlist down in the description box that you can use, and hopefully all the videos should be in there as well. So this month's SheetLoad was another 6x6 special edition, and it made 8 cards, and I decided to use, it was the July 2018 Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month kit. And it was, the whole kit had like a birthday theme. And then there were 4 different collections. And so I chose collection number 4, which had kind of, I don't want to say masculine. They weren't all masculine. It was a mix of masculine and feminine. But I chose it because I liked the stamp set that came with it. It's from Create a Smile. And I liked the fact that I could either do Happy Birthday to You or You Rock, because the cards that I'm working on lately, I need birthday cards for like a bulk order. And then I'm also trying to do some kind of fun cards for Cubs, and I figured if I didn't use these for cards, some of these for cards for Cubs, they would also work for cards for hospitalized kids. So with that being said, for my 8 cards, I used, in total, including the sheet that I used to stamp on, I used about 5 of the 6 sheets, I think, that were included. I had like 1 full sheet left. So I took 4 of them and cut them down according to Call Me Crafty Al's cut guide. And then brought in some cardstock from my stash that coordinated. And then this was supposed to be, this is the sentiment strip. And so with the kind of fun sentiments for the cards for Cubs in mind, I took the You Rock and then I added a hello. I had a bunch of hellos that were already die cut in my stash. And so I thought that would be kind of a fun, positive, like, hello, you rock. Just a fun sentiment, fun, positive sentiment. And then I also added the kit. All the collections in the kit included some type of like sequin embellishment, and so these are like the little spirally ones, and so I added some of those on there. So I did like 3 of this pattern with the Hello You Rock, and you can see that the top and the bottom alternate per card. And then I did one that was Happy Birthday to You, and so I used another sheet from this collection and stamped a birthday cake, and this was also in one of the other collections in the kit, this little Sunny Studio stamp set. And so I just stamped it and fussy cut it out as an embellishment on here, and then used the Happy Birthday to You, added my sequins. And then this was kind of a different combination. I used 2 different patterns and brought in a pretty coral color cardstock from my stash that matched, you know, the darker coral color in the chevron. But it's textured, so I realized I wasn't going to be able to stamp on it. And actually, I only had enough of the paper to cut 3 of the strip anyway, and I didn't feel like digging into another whole sheet. I didn't have any other scraps of it. So I was like, well, white would be good because then I can actually stamp directly on the white. So I did a Happy Birthday to You, again with a cake, this time peach sequins. And then this is one, I just didn't add anything else to it other than my Hello die cut since I couldn't stamp on it. And then here I just stamped Happy Birthday to You on white cardstock and added it to that strip. And this time added the sequins down below. And here's another with hello. And then I did use scraps on the inside of the card. So this particular sketch doesn't use up the whole, I guess, 6x6 sheet. So even when I used the scraps on the inside of the card, I had a few bigger scraps left, and I can just make another card with those. So it's not going to go to waste. But here are my 8 cards using this month's SheetLoad, combination of hello and birthday. Hopefully you guys got some inspiration from me, and please be sure to check out the playlist of the other collaboration team members to get some additional inspiration. And also included in that playlist is Call Me Crafty Owl's video where she shows how to download the SheetLoad sketch for this month, and then her cards that she made, the process of how she made her cards. So there's also a link to Alicia's video in the description box below that talks about how you can get this month's sketch. But anyway, I thank you guys so very much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.